Hello friends, this is our hot cell product. Hot cell portable, hydraulic mine DTH rock, drilling rigs for small hoses blasting hole.
This is power unit.
The speed of loading and unloading the drill pipe is controllable and the safety is high. The rig has large torque, very large. This is the control console. Easy operating, easy to disassemble and carrying. Lightweight, one person can move. Hole diameter up to 200 mm. Drilling depth is up to 60 meters. Hydraulic DTH drilling rig is widely applied to road, national defense, water conservancy, open pit mine, small blast hole drilling, slope protection projects. It is especially useful for rugged, accidented areas where other DTH drilling rig cannot work normally. With compact structure, easy operating, fast drilling, high efficiency, easy to disassemble and carrying. Follow me and get free sample for you. Click here. Follow me. Chat quick ask right now. Get catalog free sample more information.